Hello everyone, so here's our lesson 7 continuing regarding music rhythm notation reading. So today we're covering the rests. So we have different kind of note durations, but rests are also very important. So the duration of musical silence is indicated by different types of rests. So you have a whole rest, it looks like this. It's a square that hangs down from the line, and it's a whole rest of silence. If you're in 4/4 time, it would be 4 beats of silence. Half rest looks like the whole rest, but it sits on top of the line. And I remember it looks like a hat, a little bit square over a line. So half rest sits on the line, whole rest hangs on the line, and half rest in 4/4 time would be 2 beats of silence. Quarter rest looks like the squiggly line. Sometimes you also see it written like a Z. So you might see this, and that's also another way of indicating the quarter rest. So going on, 1 whole rest equals 2 half rests. Right, so 4, 2 plus 2. Here's the hierarchy of rests. Whole rest on the top, half rests, quarter rests. 1 half rest equals to 2 quarter rests. 1 whole rest equals to 4 quarter rests. Right, and similarly, the same way with the notes, but these are rests now. In 4/4 time, a whole rest receives 4 beats. In 4/4 time, a half rest receives 2 beats. And a quarter rest receives 1 beat of silence. The combination of notes and rests produces sound and silence within a musical composition. So here's an exercise. Number 1, fill in the missing beats with the appropriate rests. Use only 1 rest in each measure. Some measures may already be complete. So we're in 4/4 time. Top number tells us that there are 4 beats per measure. The bottom number tells us that a quarter note is the beat. So you have 2 half rests, it's on the line, 2 plus 1, so you need 1 more beat of silence to equal to 4. 1, 2, so you're missing 2 beats, so it says only to draw 1 rest, so half rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a whole rest, it's already 4 beats, so that measure is fine. Then you have a half rest, 2 plus 1, so you're missing another quarter rest. Here you have 1, 2, 3 beats, you need another quarter rest. Here you have a half rest plus a quarter rest, so that's only 3 beats of silence, so you need a 4th beat. And then number 2, fill in the missing beats with the appropriate notes. Use only 1 note in each measure. Some measures may already be complete. So we're in 4/4 time again. Here we have 2 plus 1, so you need 1 more beat, so you draw in a quarter note. 1 plus 1, so you're missing 2 beats, so you draw in half note. Whole note is already complete in that measure. Then you're 1 plus 2, so you're missing 1 more beat, so you draw another half quarter note. Then 1, 2, 3, so you're missing 1 beat, so you draw in a quarter note. 1, 2, 3, so you're missing 1 more beat, so you draw in a quarter note. And number 3 says, fill in the missing beats with other notes or rests. Use as many as you wish. So now you have the freedom to fill in whatever you'd like to complete the measure. So you have to have 4 beats per measure. And I'm going to put in the dotted half note, 3 beats, so 1 plus 3 is 4. And I don't want to draw very many notes, so I'll do another dotted half note, 3 plus 1 is 4. Half note plus half note is 4. Then I'll do a whole note. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then here I'll draw a half note. Okay, and then the next part is about note reading, and we haven't gotten into that, so we're covering this today. So the main thing that we covered is rests, corresponding rests, whole rest, 4 beats in 4/4 time, half rest, 2 beats in 4/4 time, and quarter rest, 1 beat in 4/4 time.